Today lesson is parts of the body and organs of the body. Let's see first parts of the body. Head. Our head protects the brain and helps us think and see. Hand. Hands help us hold, write and do all kinds of work. Leg. Legs help us stand, walk, run and play. Eye. Eyes help us see the world around us. Ear. Ears help us hear sounds and keep our balance. Nose. Nose helps us breathe air and smell things. Mouth. Mouth helps us eat food and talk. Finger. Fingers help us touch, feel and hold small things. Skin. Skin covers our body and protects us from germs. Neck. The neck holds up the head and keep us move and turn it. Next, organs of the body. Heart. The heart pumps blood and keeps us alive. Brain. The brain controls our body and helps us learn. Lungs. Lungs help us breathe in fresh air. Stomach. Our stomach stores food and helps digest it. Intestines. Intestines absorb nutrients to make us strong. Pancreas. The pancreas helps digest food and control sugar. Kidneys. Kidneys clean the blood and make urine. Liver. The liver cleans blood and gives us energy. Bladder. The bladder stores urine until we release it. Muscles. Muscles help us move, jump and stay active. Thanks for watching. For more interesting, subscribe Kids Chain Diary.